Alright, so what is going on, guys? What is up? So we're out here staying safe. Obviously, we got our face masks outside the Honda CR-V, outside the car, outside on this beautifully sunny day. Super. Basically, what we're working on right now is we're working on washing the bike. I've already gotten my soap bucket ready. Got my garden hose. I've got hose. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Got my soap ready. Garden hose ready. Bike all pulled out, as you can see, looking real nice and dirty. I want to thank the Best 1A's for shouting me out on his YouTube video showing how you can clean a bike, pretty much a dry wash, on your rear wheel. The Best 1A's, I want to thank you for putting a video together on how to wash a rear wheel. And I just want to show you mine right here. It is dirty. Oh yeah. I mean, it's mostly just like brake dust and that sort of thing. Vance and Hines. But yeah, that's pretty much all the dirt that it's got. That's why it's all nasty and yucky looking. And down there, some more. My shadow's in the way, but that's that. But yeah, I already started spraying down the bike with some water. So let me go ahead and continue that. I really hope this thing doesn't get knocked over. It might. Get on that soap right there. I'm gonna dump all that in there. Ugh. Alright, now we are mainly going to focus on the rear wheel today. Take a smaller rag of the two, right, which is this. I'm just going to try and wipe this down. Oh yeah, what a difference. Look at that, bro. Look at that. The V-twin, you know, 1300. 1304. It's just a quick scrub down of this rear wheel. And then eventually I'll get to everything else. I just gotta tighten that down. Real basic clean, it's nothing fancy. There's still like a lot of spots that I'm missing. Keep your bikes out there. Quick look at it here. I think I should sort of move the bike in another way, so let me just do that real quick. Now that the sun is directly beaming on the wheel, you see that it's a little bit cleaner. Not a little bit cleaner, but much cleaner than what it was before. Not good. Getting a lot better. Scrub this whole bike down, actually. As you can see, yeah, just want to get it nice and clean. Then we'll rinse it off. As far as drying the bike goes, I honestly am not sure what I'm going to do with that. We'll just sort of have to, you know, figure out that road when we get to it. But this is pretty much the one rag I'm going to use for the undercarriage as of the bike. You know, your foot pegs, your chassis, your frame, your motor stuff. As much as I can here. Scrub what I can see. It's pretty much. Whole girl down. And as much as I can, you know, wipe it down, keep it nice. Hopefully everybody's safe out there. And then big thanks and shout out to all the people working in the medical field, all you nurses and stuff. You know, you guys are doing real difficult work in this time, and stay safe. Do everything that you do, and God bless, and all that stuff. I have leaking forks, and I'm sort of just trying to like scrub off all that muck that is on there. I'm gonna go over here and scrub this old girl down. Look at that stuff, I mean, sorry. Alright. Scrub that down. Scrub the other side. As far as drying the bike goes, I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. Oh, I do have an extra bath towel. It's one of those bath towels I don't like. You know what I mean? Just quickly, like, wipe the bike down. Try to dry it. If I really want to get into this and I had time, I could take these plastic cylinder head covers and just sort of like scrub them down real quick. Front wheel is easy to clean because there's like mad space to reach in all the gaps and stuff. Velcro pads up top are for the what should we call it? They're for the bubble shield. I forgot what that thing was called. That's what that's for. It's looking nice. Got to get all these buggos off this right side mirror, you feel me? So I sort of have this thing with the kill switch on the bikes. I am probably one to possibly have never used it, except for that one time I rode this bike on my lunch break, and I was like, yeah, let me go for a little spin. So I go for a spin, and I get to a light, and what do? I reach for the wow, that's loose. How did that happen? I don't know. Woo, she's looking nice. Look at that. Light, I'm in traffic. What happens? Clear tail light. Perfect. I love clear tail lights. So I'm going. Alright, that's that. Time for the rinso. Gonna give you some good TLC today, boy. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Almost forgot about this little thing. El sponge. Oh, I don't think I even did the fender, bro. Nope, I didn't. Look at that. I'm getting all wet. Oh, the ladies. Yep. So, back to the story. I was riding. This is with regards to the kill switch on the bike. I'm not one to use the kill switch in most cases. I just don't. I just sort of feel like when you use the kill switch on the bike, you know, it's just another part that you're going to wear out and may need replacing and all kinds of stuff like that, just for the top half. So I'm like, okay, I'm not going to use the kill switch. I'm just going to use the key to turn the bike off and on. This kill switch, anti-mask thing. So I'm riding, right? As I'm riding, which is fine. As I'm riding, right? I gotta hurry up so this thing doesn't dry out in the sun again. So as I'm riding, right, I approach a light, and I'm like, oh snap! I've gotta hit the neutral or whatever. I gotta go to neutral. So I'm riding, blah blah blah. I hit one of these switches like that. Somehow I must have went like this to reach for something. Went like that, and I hit the kill switch. I'm approaching the light, and the bike's it's just cruising and silent. So I'm like, wait a second. I had my earplugs in, so it's not like I could hear the motor turning or the exhaust doing nothing. But as I'm riding, right, I'm going. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm pulling back on the throttle, right, like this. I'm like, yo, I got no power. I'm panicked, so I pull over to the side of the road. I'm trying to like turn it over. Nothing. And then I look around. I'm like, wait a second. I turn the key on, and I've got you know, electric. But I'm hitting the turn switch, right, to turn the motor over. And I got nothing. Wait a second. I look, and this thing is in the up position. So it was probably from that moment on I just totally decided to never touch it. To rinse this bad girl off. Go with me here. Oh yeah. Does that look amazing or what? From the top to the bottom. Oh yes. She's looking mighty. That wheel's looking fire. Got all the little bits and bobs of soap off of here. These forks are looking much cleaner. Still gonna leak, I know, but that's the reason why I don't want to take this thing out for like real rides to go up to like Harriman and stuff. A bunch of these like little spots and stuff. I'm pretty sure this is probably just from like road tar and things. See, there's like more spots up there. You know, at least I got the rear brake disc hub piece nice and clean. I was able to scrub this down, the rear fork. Yeah, that's pretty good wash, I'd have to say. Top to bottom, from the mirrors all the way down to the wheels. I was able to get those clean. Yeah. Thumbnail? What do you think? I think so. I know. So as you can see the smile behind my mask. So I've got my towel handy, as you can see. We're just going to go ahead and dry this big girl off. See, the wheel is now mostly clean. I am trying to shine a flashlight through here, but possibly to no avail. But yeah, as you can see, bike's mostly clean. Fenders, little pegs and stuff. The side of the engine is pretty clean as well. Yamaha. The air filter box is nice. Cylinder head covers are good. My mostly chipped by now gas tank, which is like almost 4 gallons, is pretty clean. Mirror's looking nice. I'm looking nice. Oh yeah, that's looking good too. And that's looking good. Mostly clean, mostly clean. Front fender is nice and shiny. And of course, the 21-inch front tire and wheel are also super duper clean. Not fresh or what? Clean the front forks. I wiped off most of the oil that's on there. You can see front fork seals are not in the best of condition. Front headlights nice and shiny. Bullet cowl is clean. Alright, it's a quick view there of the bike. I love this bike. Just the way the bike sounds, the way the bike rides and everything. To me, it's perfect. Now this bike doesn't have like a 6-speed transmission, you know. It doesn't have like all the accoutrements that like maybe a Street Glide or something fancy like that would have, but it does the job, you know. And I really hope you can hear me through this. I hope that my voice isn't super muffled. Probably look like Sub-Zero or Shinobi or something like that. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn this bike on and take it down the road, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. take it for a little spin. What do you think? Sun is out. Bike is out. I'm out. Alright, so that was sort of random. I decided to just go for a quick spin down the road. Alright, you guys, so that's my little video of me washing the bike down. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this somewhat chopped up video of me putting my bike out in the driveway for a wash and stuff, hit the thumbs up, like this video, subscribe for more if you want to see more. Tell a friend, and also follow me on Instagram at FCT8306. Stay safe out there in this strange time that we're in with this pandemic and stuff. Stay safe. Peace.